Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to learn here about how to rename the computer name. So this video will be helpful for the beginner computer users, and the steps is very easy, but just I want to show you how the beginner user can rename their computer name. So this is my Windows 10 PC, and if you are using any other Windows version like Windows 7 or Windows 8, so the steps will be approximately same, but there will be minor difference. So here I have opened the file explorer, and here you can see the option is this PC, but in Windows XP or Windows 7 there will be my computer. So just you need to right click here and go to the properties, and then you can see here the option is rename this PC, or here it is also. So you can click here. The current PC name is XYZ, you can see, and here it is asking for the new PC name. So I am going to rename this by ABC name. I'm going to keep my PC name is ABC. I'm going to click on next. It will take some time. Yes, now you can see the message is after you restart your PC, name will be changed to ABC. So I am going to restart now my PC, and then I will show you the rename PC is renamed or not. So let me restart it, or you can do one thing, you can click on the restart later option if you have the option. So for now I am going to click here on the restart later option, and then you can see here the status device name is XYZ, but it is also showing here ABC, which name just we rename. So once you will restart this PC, then only the ABC name will be visible. XYZ option will be XYZ will be removed. It will be vanished. So just close this. Again you can verify by open the file explorer, go to this PC, go to the properties, and here you can see still the device name is same. Here it is showing old PC name, old computer name, and the new computer name is ABC. So once you will restart the PC, restart your PC, it will be your PC name will be renamed, and in this way you can rename your computer or system, you can say. So guys, I hope this is clear to you now how you can rename your PC or computer. So for now I am going to end this video, and I have one request for you. If this video will be helpful for you, just subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos, and click on the bell icon for the new upcoming videos notification, and please don't forget to like and share your comment on these videos. Thank you. Bye bye.